connaissant le défi enregistré dans la prochaine siège devant vous, en référant les sorties de secours les plus près. Afin d'assurer un voyage paisible, veuillez mettre votre téléphone en mode vibration et utiliser des écouteurs avec tout appareil électronique. L'eau, train et liquide et gaz sont des environnements confinés. La cigarette électronique est également interdite. Veuillez noter qu'aucun comportement dangereux ou irrespectueux envers les passagers ou l'équipage ne sera toléré et que la consommation de boissons alcoolisées personnelles est interdite. Si vous avez besoin d'assistance à destination, veuillez en aviser le plus tôt possible et nous puissions prendre les arrangements nécessaires avant l'arrivée. Veuillez préparer votre carte d'embarquement pour le contrôle. Et si vous avez des questions, adressez-vous à un membre de l'équipe de bord qui se fera un plaisir de vous répondre. Merci et bon voyage! Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nicolas, and I will be your service manager on board today. On behalf of Air Canada and the entire crew, welcome aboard train number 35. En route to Ottawa. With stops at Dorval, Coteau, Alexandria, and Athelney. All passengers aged 2 and older must wear a mask while on board. Please ensure that it covers securely your nose, mouth, and chin at all times. While you can remove your mask or face covering briefly to eat or drink, you must immediately put it back on afterwards. For the protection of everyone on board, any passengers who refuse to properly wear their mask will be removed from the train at the next station stop. We remind you to follow good hygiene practices, such as washing your hands frequently and coughing or sneezing into your elbow. And please contact a crew member if you have any concerns regarding the application of these preventive health measures. For your safety, please familiarize yourself with the emergency features of your car by reading the pamphlet in the seat pocket in front of you and by locating the nearest emergency exit. For a more peaceful travel experience, please set your phone to vibrate and use headphones without electronic devices.
Do you have cider?
All trains and station platforms are smoke-free environments.
Do you have?
Use of electronic cigarettes is also forbidden. And please note that unsafe or disrespectful behavior
Could I get
towards any passengers or crew members will not be tolerated, and that the consumption of personal alcoholic beverages is prohibited.
Thank you very much.
Sparkling water?
Please.
You will require assistance
Wonderful.
at
Thank you
your
for your help.
destination. Please let us know as soon as possible so we can make arrangements for you prior to arrival.
Wonderful. Thank you for your
Please have
help.
your boarding pass ready for validation.
Merci beaucoup.
If you require further information, a crew member will be happy to assist you. Thank you, and have a pleasant journey.
Pas maintenant, mais je vais amener tantôt. Un eau, quelque chose comme ça?